We had a problem with people looking for drill bits. We just used empty jars like this, and we had T25s, we had magnetic bits and all sorts of stuff. And Casey one day was a little frustrated, and so I decided to do a lean project and to separate them out, label them. And it's been very useful to be able to just find that. We're in the process of working on some lean projects using Kaizen foam. This is the beginning of my project. Trying to learn and to do better. And this is all a work in progress. But once we have it fine-tuned, it'll all work better. This was a simple thing that I did, was just labeled the batteries. I made a little grid system, and then I put the batteries. I like to have them with the charge indicator out, and I can maintain these batteries because here at my station, this is not just a radio, this is a DeWalt charger, so I can charge DeWalt batteries here. It's a power source also, so I plug in and have access to a 40-volt charger from Makita.